Alrighty, everybody, we got another new video. We're going to open up a blaster box of Panini 2021-2022 basketball. And this was on sale for $11. Thought it'd be worth a shot. People don't like them in their college uniforms, but, you know, maybe you can pull something crazy. You never know. Seems like a very light box. You get 4 packs. That's it. 4 blaster exclusive packs. No wonder it's 11. Well, we're looking for the chromium products out of here. Scotty Barnes. Looks like that's going to be a Cam Thomas pink. Kaminga. All right, we see some pink coming up here. Franz Wagner rookie card. You got a Jaden Springer rookie. This one's nice right here. The Joel Ayayi. That is out of select. That's gorgeous. Nice pink. Trey Man rookie card. Last pack. Let's see if we can hit something in here. Do like the flux cards, those are nice. And then what do we got here? Zaire Williams. That appears to be a pink. Keep the chromium card on there as the best. And that is going to do it. Thank you for watching.